Hello friend, welcome to a new video from Net. Are you worried because your internet is not stable? You use speedtest.net to test download speed, upload speed, and response time. Speed Test Tracker is a program that automatically runs the speed test every hour and graphs the results. You assign the IP address to match your network. In this video I will install Speed Test Tracker in Unraid and monitor my internet. You perform the installation steps as above and do not need to use any commands. Installation steps are in progress, please see log for details. The installation will take about 5 minutes. Once installed, click to open with the web interface. By default, the speed test tracker will automatically run speed test once every hour, recording the results and displaying them graphically. However, you can adjust the frequency of speed test running as you like. Go to crontab.guru and you will get specific instructions. As you have seen, you can schedule by months of the year, days of the week, hours of the day and approximately how many minutes at a time. Here I want to monitor my internet every 30 minutes. After learning how to schedule a speed test, edit your mind and save. And after 5 hours of waiting, this is the result I got. I will get a very easy to see graph including download speed, about over 90 Mbps. Upload speed is 22 Mbps, average response time is 3 milliseconds. And here are the detailed results of each test. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and leave your questions in the comment section down below. Good luck.